In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include attachments in Smartsheet notifications. By the end, you'll know exactly where to add files or links so they're referenced in alerts and updates that go out to your team. Start by opening Smartsheet and heading to the home page. From here, you can either start a new project if you're just setting things up or jump straight into an existing one. If you already have a sheet ready, the quickest path is to find it from the home view. You'll notice a suggested section that surfaces items you've opened recently. That's a handy shortcut. If it's not there, switch over to all workspaces to see everything you have access to. Large accounts can have many workspaces, so take advantage of the filter options to narrow the list by owner or type. You can also use the search bar to find a workspace or sheet by name instantly. Once you locate the right workspace, click into it, then open the sheet you want to work with. Inside the sheet, look for the paperclip icon to open the attachments panel. If you want the attachment tied to a specific row so that row-based alerts reference it, select the row first. If you attach at the sheet level, general alerts about the sheet can still reference those files, but row alerts work best with row-level attachments. In the attachments panel, choose Add. You'll see options to upload a file or add a URL. Uploading a file is perfect for documents, images, and PDFs. Adding a URL works well for cloud-stored items or external resources. If you're uploading, click Browse, pick your file from your computer or a connected drive, and confirm. Give the file a clear name so recipients know what they're opening, and consider using version-friendly names if you'll be updating it later. If you're adding a URL, make sure the link is accessible to your recipients. If it requires sign-in, they'll need permission in that system. To provide context, open the comment icon and add a short note explaining what the attachment is and why it matters. Comments display alongside attachments and help notifications make immediate sense to the recipient. A quick tip on notifications: when your automations trigger for a row or sheet that has attachments, the alerts will include the attachment details or a direct link, depending on the recipient's access. For smooth delivery, verify the sheet is shared with the right people and that file permissions allow them to view the content. Also keep an eye on file sizes and formats supported by Smartsheet to avoid upload issues. That's it. Add your attachment, include a clear comment, and your Smartsheet notifications will point teammates straight to the files they need.